Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by adding the text-to-speech component and the minimal UI so you can test immediately. Drag a text box for the phrase and a button labeled Speak. Once done, make sure the non-visible text-to-speech instance is present in the components list. You need runtime permissions on Android, request them promptly, or use the companion app which handles permissions during testing. This establishes the exact inputs and outputs you will wire in the next step, so keep names clear and simple. Now connect the logic. In Blocks View Use When button, click to read text box, text and call text to speech. Speak. Set language via text to speech. Language and adjust pitch and rate to sound natural, lower rate for clarity or increase for speed. Add an if block to prevent empty input and show a notifier if nothing is entered. Once configured, test variations of pitch and rate to understand how they change timbre and timing. Make sure you save the project frequently while iterating. Finally, run the app using the MIT App Inventor companion or build and install an APK to test on a real device. Verify the volume and default TTS engine. Change engine in system settings if pronunciation or language support is off. If speech fails, confirm permissions, ensure text box. Text is non-empty, and check block order so language and pitch set before speak is called. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear nothing, increase media volume, switch TTS engine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.